Good day, everyone. I am Vince Martin Panisales Manalastas. I am born with a rare liver disease called biliary atresia, and now I need to undergo liver transplant. I am humbly knocking at your hearts for your donation that you may able to give for me to undergo this surgery. Any amount will be highly appreciated. Thank you and God bless.